Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to combine two of Excel's most powerful functions, index and XMatch, to build dynamic and flexible lookups. Watch these videos to learn about index and XMatch functions. I have provided the link in description box. Index function returns the value from a specified row and column from the output range. In this example, we have product list in rows and months in columns. The output range or corresponding sales data is available in range B3 to D8. To find the sales value for product D in February month, the row number is 4 and the column number is 2. Now select cell G5 and type equals to index open bracket, select the output data range from B3 to D8, press F4, comma, second parameter is the row number and product D is available in row number 4, so type 4, comma, third parameter is the column number, February month is column number 2, so type 2, closing bracket and press enter. Cell G5 will show the sales data for product D in February month. Now to make this search dynamic, we will use XMatch function to get the row number and column number dynamically. First, to get the row number for the selected product dynamically, in the second parameter of index function, type XMatch open bracket, select G3, press F4, comma, select the product list from A3 to A8, closing bracket and press enter. Now the row number will change dynamically. Change the product name in cell G3 and output is the sales in February month of selected product. Now to get the column number of required month dynamically, in the third parameter of index function, type xmatch open bracket, select G4, press F4, comma, select the months from B2 to D2, closing bracket and press enter. Now the column number will also change dynamically. Change the product name or month in cell G3 and G4 respectively, and output is the sales for selected product in the selected month. In this way, you can use combination of index and xmatch function for dynamic lookup. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.